Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 6.16 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to TailsOS official website and download, that is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. See here the latest release is Tails 6.16. Okay, so scroll down, then click on burning a Tails DVD. Then see here we have the Tails download Tails 6.16 ISO image and its size is 1.6 gigabytes. If you want to download directly, you have to click on this one. If you want to download by using torrent link, you have to click on this BitTorrent. Okay, either is fine. So click on download TailsOS 6.16 ISO image. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 1.5 gigabytes. Okay, I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then search for this video description for how to install VirtualBox. Okay, now click on this new or go to machine and select new, both are same. Then provide the name, then select, see this is just virtual machine name, then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other, then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image, go to other, then go to downloads directory. See here we have the TailsOS 6.16 ISO image, select it, open it. See, once we select it, type change it to Linux, subtype to Debian and version is Debian 64-bit. Then select the checkbox, that is skip unattended installation. Then come to hardware. I am giving memory as 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores to hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this TailsOS virtual machine, right click, select settings, or just click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrow, select the first one, that is Tails 6.16, and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Okay, now we have to configure. See, language and formats I am going with all defaults. If you want to create persistent storage, you have to on this one. Okay, I don't want, so additional settings, click on this plus button for additional settings. See here, administration password, MAC address anonymization, offline mode, and save browser and network connection. I want to only configure this administration password. Click on it. By default it is turned off. Confirm the same, then click on add. Okay, if you want like other information, you can click on them and you can add. Okay, so I don't want, I'm okay with all these settings. Then click on start Tails. Now if you want to connect tar automatically, you have to select this radio button and you have to click on connect to tar. Click on it. See, it is connecting. Now open terminal, go to activities, then show applications, then open terminal. See here in the background, successfully connected. Click on start tar browser. Wait a moment, it will be opened. Okay, in meantime, go to here, let me increase the font, go to preferences. See, you got the tar browser. Okay, preferences, then unnamed, then select this, then increase the font, select to close this one. See, font has been increased, and in the background, see here we have the tar browser. Okay, now verify the version, more/etc os-release. See, we have installed TailsOS 6.16. Okay, Q to quit, control A. The first step after connecting to TailsOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update %% sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of this amnesia, that means it is administration password. Hit enter. See, now it is updating and upgrading the packages. Provide the password of administration again. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation to update these packages. Upgrade or upgrading the packages. Type A and hit enter. See, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 6.16 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.